Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. Oh, my favorite time of the year. Favorite time of the year. Winter is, you know, not too close. We like this fall weather, but we are knocking on the door of it, and that means we're gonna start the season off just right, just how we want to, and that is with a FabFitFun box. So nice, it almost feels naughty. I love it. It's in this beautiful green color. It makes me want to get my Christmas tree out and start decorating. It's that beautiful green. I am so excited. I was so excited when I was doing my add-ons, when I was just shopping around. Like, this was a fun one to put together. And I really enjoy it now because my sister, who's an esthetician, like, she's always got her eye on this too, and she's helping me pick stuff and what's good, what's the stuff that's gonna work for me, etc. So I get the most bang for my buck. But I am so excited. I wanna walk through my add-ons because I had a bunch of fun shopping for my add-ons as well. Like, there was just a lot of great jewelry and things like that, so I had some fun. So I wanna walk through that really quickly before we dive into the box. So first things first, I haven't used it yet, but I did just pop it open so I could pull the cord out. But I got this Lax USB Type-C braided cable, 10-foot. I love traveling with 10-foot cords. They are amazing, and I have them in this beautiful color now. So I hopped on this just because of necessity. Like, it came at the perfect time for me getting my new phone. Another thing I got is kind of like a home essential for me. I am a reusable bag person, but I got these beautifully patterned Elise Brienne reusable bags. You know, these beautiful patterns, they open up, go from this to this, and I just love them. I use reusable bags for groceries and everything, so these are great because I'm actually having them folded up, can put them right in my car and not have to worry about it at all. So I love these patterns. Even though they are not winter patterns, I am still extremely happy because they are so beautiful. All right, we're gonna kick to our jewelry now because I'm so excited about this. First off, Love AJ is not a new thing that comes in my FabFitFun boxes, but I saw these. I got a thick pair and a thin pair, but I got this thick hoop, which I absolutely love. I don't have a pair like this, so I was so excited and jumped on this. And then I got the small beaded, and I'm really, really excited about this. They're very dainty, they're very small, very simple, but I'm very excited about these. And I love AJ. Like, I love them. I've gotten a lot of their jewelry, so I'm so excited. The last piece of jewelry I got was this beautiful sterling forever bracelet. It's this thick chain. I was so excited. I'm a huge fan of this thick chain, and I've been trying to find something good. Once again, have experience with sterling forever like I do with Love AJ, and just thought it would be a perfect piece, and it truly is. Like, it goes with my permanent stack so well, and I cannot wait to wear this. It'll probably be an everyday essential staple item I wear. All right, y'all ready? I love this. All right, opening this up. Oh my God, winter 2023. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. And then it says cozy time on the inside of the flap. So starting off, they always give us some stuff right off the top. So it looks like we've got Caraway, which I do have an item in here from Caraway. They have a little advertisement for Family Switch, which is the new Jennifer Garner, Ed Helms movie coming out on Netflix November 30th. We got a usual Hello Fresh, and then they give us these scratch offs so you can win more prizes and fun things too, which I always love that they give us some nice extra little treats up at the top. All right, so I'm gonna walk you through everything in the box, tell you the price of everything, etc. There are a couple extra things in here because I did do a refill, which they do on products that you may have gotten already or gotten an add-on of, whatever it may be. So I did do that, but we're gonna walk through all of that stuff. And so yeah, so first things first are these Caraway pot holders round, just a set of 2. I loved the color, and I love Caraway is a fantastic kitchen brand, household brand, and so I love these, and we desperately needed some new pot holders, so I'm so excited about these. And this is my colors in my house, so I'm so excited about this. And these pot holders are priced at $30. Next up, Way. God, I love Way. I love Way so much. And this is their leave-in conditioner. It's priced at $26. But Way is a fantastic brand. Squirt, but it's got the nice, easy button up at the top. But this is a brand my sister and I both use, so I'm so excited to get more of this. Anytime I see Way in my selections, I have to choose it just because I love, love, love this brand and what this does for my hair. Next up, Aceology Probiotic Restoring Biodegradable Masks. There are 4 in here. This is priced at $59. Leave Aceology mask and tools in charge of the instant results and long-term benefits while you continue being your fabulous self. Cleanse and tone skin so it is ready for optimum product absorption. Remove mask from sachet and unfolded. Gently place onto face and smooth across contours. Relax for 30 minutes and enjoy feather-light mask. Remove mask and massage remaining essence into face until it is fully absorbed. But you just pull them on out. We got 4 right in here. I'm excited to use these. It's the perfect time of the year for a good mask too, just because of how dry it is outside. Like, it takes a huge hit on your skin. So I'm incredibly happy we got these. Next thing in here is this Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. This is not the first time we've gotten Elemis either, but I love the branding of this. I love the coloring. I am extremely excited. If you just, super light, super feather light. And I'm, once again, dry skin right now, so I'm super excited to use this, have this around my eyes. Oh my gosh, get a little wake up going. Elemis, this is not the first time. I love a good Elemis product. They take good care of your skin. Reviving Eye Cream, a must. Next thing in here is this Melissa Wood Health Yoga Block, and this actually came with a 1-month subscription as well. This is priced at $28. I do a lot of stretching, and what's nice is I can take this with me for my half marathons because a lot of the stretching classes I do have yoga blocks that are used in them, which is fantastic. I need to do more yoga to begin with anyways, but this is adding to the repertoire of stretching things that I need as I continue to travel around and do all these races. So very excited, and I'm very excited to try the Melissa Wood Health and that subscription for the month and see if I actually continue moving forward with it. But very excited, $28. All right, last of my customization items in here. My organizational type A self is so happy for this, all right? This is the Miyamika car organizer priced at $50, all right? We're unbuckling, and if I go just like this, yes. I love the color of this, but it's got tons of space, and I'm so excited because I just need to organize my car. We've got a pocket right here, pocket right here. What I love is that it sticks too, like they all collapse back into each other. It's got Velcro right there and you can buckle it back up. You got the 2 handles that you can easily store it. I love this and I was so excited. Organization, take over my life. Very happy I have this. All right, I did do a refill this time around because I think it was in my last box, my fall box. I got this Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. It's a hair strengthener. I use it once a week. It is an incredible product. It's done a lot for my hair to protect it, and I love this. And so I had to get some more. It wasn't in my customization, so I knew I had to get some more just in case, since I am using it very frequently. I travel with it as well. But yes, Living Proof Triple Bond Complex hair strengthener. Cannot say enough good things about this. All right, and one thing I did subscribe to, it's like the perfect time of the year to get these. This is the Luhu Bar 4 eucalyptus shower steamers. You just put them in your shower, you wet, you place, you inhale. That's their thing and that's their slogan. So I've seen good things about this, but I was so excited to get these and pop it in my hot shower tonight. This is happening. This is what is happening in my shower. So I'm so excited I got these. All right, y'all. That is my full box. That is everything, add-ons, refills, subscriptions, customizations, everything. If you do not have your FabFitFun box yet, I don't know what you're doing, but this is the great time of year because what you can do is go get your own FabFitFun box. You can, for Christmas, holiday season, whatever you celebrate, you can go and get someone one of these as well and get them to them. And then they can start their own journey with FabFitFun. But these are great gifts, great time of the year to do this, but everything will be linked down below. Please go check out FabFitFun, get your own box, and yeah. I hope you guys have a great holiday season, a great winter. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, join this awesome family, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.